Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to avoid unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. So guys, I will be discussing the key points to avoid getting strikes. So first one is content similarity. So guys, strikes often occur when your content closely resembles to another existing TikTok videos. And another thing is avoid using the same background footage or clips from platforms like YouTube that are widely used by others. And next key point is that if your video include a watermark from another platform, it can trigger a strike. And also just simply cover the watermark with text or simply blur it or add another visual element before uploading. And another key point is the use of a movie and TV clips. So guys, just simply avoid using clips from movies, TV shows, or sporting event because they are easily flagged due to copyright issues. So now I will be discussing the strategies that you could do. So first one is just simply add original elements. So just simply provide your original logo, AI generated voices, and just simply use custom visuals or pictures. And next thing is mirror the clips. So just simply flip your clips in editing software and make it less recognizable by TikTok algorithm. And next one is include the text features. So just simply add auto captions or titles to your videos to provide additional content that is unique to your account. And lastly guys, just simply use filters. So just simply apply different filters to give your videos a unique one. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!